Friends, I am VM. In this video, I will show you how to install Windows 10 PC or laptop. Let's start the video. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, boot PC or laptop from pendrive. Okay, loading Windows. Please wait. This is our Windows setup screen. Select here time and currency format. English India. After this step, click on next. Now click on install now. Setup is starting. Please wait. Okay, click on I don't have a product key. Click on Windows Pro. Click on next. Click on I accept the license term. Click on next. Select here custom install Windows only advanced. Okay, this is our new SSD NVMe. Click on new. Click on apply. Click on OK. I am not creating here any other partition, only C drive. Click on format. Click on OK. Click on next. Copying Windows file, getting file ready to installation. Okay, this is step is take a time 10 to 15 minutes. I am little forward this video. Installing features, installing updates. After this step, system will be restart. Okay, there is a two option, restart now. Okay, Windows is restart complete. Getting ready, starting services. Okay, getting ready. Please wait. After this step, Windows reboot. Just a moment. Now select here region India. Click on next or yes. Okay, click on English India. Click on yes. Skip this option here. Just a moment. Now we have some important setup to do. This message show. Let's take a time. Please don't turn off your device. Okay, thank you for your patience. We still working. System is reboot once again. Now select here setup for personal use. Click on next. Click on offline account. I am not connected internet in this PC. Click on limited experience. Make user here what user name you want. Type here admin. Click on next. There is a password option. Click on next. Click on accept. Select here any option. I am selecting here business. Click on accept. Not now. Click on not now. PC will restart. This may take several minutes. Don't turn on. After this, Windows is installation is complete. My PC is ready to use. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.